Such a beautiful night in Mesa, Arizona. Perfect to make some charcoal. I don't know if you can quite see what's going on here. It's a 50-gallon barrel, 55-gallon barrel. There's a 6-inch pipe that goes right there all the way through. Inside the barrel is wood. At the bottom, have a fire. The heat heats up the wood and goes through the top of the pipe. So the hole's deep inside, forcing out all the unburned gases into the pipe, and they're burning, and it's creating an effect called pyrolysis. And so in effect, what will be left is just the charcoal on the inside. So why make your own charcoal when you can buy a bag for like 10 bucks? Because I like to. It's a cool little experiment to do. Our ancestors have been doing it for thousands of years. And inside the pipe, little holes cut into it so that then the gases from the wood can vent off and catch fire and help reburn it, called pyrolysis. It's in effect, it's essentially called a charcoal retort. So heats up, wood gases expand, go into the pipe, and then help reburn it. So charcoal retort. So you really don't have any smoke. It's all just clean heat. Ooh, the rocket has started. All the gases are beginning to, or the wood's beginning to heat, forcing off the impurities, which are in the form of gas, gasification, also known as pyrolysis, because inside the barrel is low oxygen, so the wood doesn't have actual flame on it. It's just heating up, and there's the fuel burning it. And if you research charcoal retorts, they have like 5 to 1, 3 to 1, so the amount of wood stock you need to burn to make charcoal. So some are more efficient than others. I don't know exactly my ratio. Any ideas on what I should do with all this extra heat? That right there just begs to make a boiler of some sort to create energy. Now we are cooking. The internal temp has risen to whatever it takes to force the gases out of the wood, and they combust, and there's the rocket. Most of it down there is just coal, charcoal burning. About a 4-foot flame. Here is the big reveal. Tilted it on its side. It's a little bit cool, still warm though. There's those holes where the gases go back into the pipe from the barrel. And there it is. Big old chunks. Charcoal. Some of it's still burning a little bit because it did get up through the crack. So I'll put a little water on it, but other than anybody want a football-sized piece of charcoal? The big reveal. Big old chunks of charcoal.